Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we are unboxing Gramma in a box. And then later in the video, we'll be making some of the treats too. I'll just bring this down to my kitchen and use my iPhone camera later today to make some of the snacks. So Gramma in a box, as you can probably tell from what I just said, is like a snack or treat subscription, but it's super cute. So it's meant to be like a box sent to you from Gramma. And it has like 3 different activities to make these yummy, cute snacks. They have a theme every month. Your first box is $10 and then it's $20 after that. And it is so cute. This would make such a great gift if you have some like grandchildren yourself, you have kids. Like, this is such a fun activity to do with others, which you'll see in just a moment. So I'm gonna link them down below. I'm also gonna link down below all of my active giveaways. At the time I'm filming this, I have 3 giveaways going on, so definitely check them out. They're for all different types of things. Sunglasses, makeup, books, you name it. So check those out. And I also leave down below in every video my social media handles, so if you want to catch up, become friends, talk in between uploads, you can always find me there. But yeah, let's get started on Gramma in a box. One thing I love about this box is it always gives you like a Best By date. So I have a few days left, so that reminded me. So it comes like, it came like a few days ago, and this is Best By the 13th, and I'm filming this on the 11th. So I love that. I think that's really important. So let's crack this open. There's some cute like Halloween stickers on it too, so I'm guessing we have a Halloween theme. So this is what it looks like when I open the box. There's a note here. It says October 2019 Halloween themed treats. Welcome to the October Gramma in a box. This month we have 3 new projects with Halloween in mind, including witches hats, monster bites, and Halloween cookies with frosting and sprinkles. For a second I thought I forgot to turn my mic on, huh? I'd love to see how your treats turn out, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cookie and candy crafts from Gramma. Be sure to read through all 3 project cards before you start. I'm working on a fall theme for next month. If you already subscribed, thank you. If not, the deadline is November 3rd for the next box, as we ship the first week of every month. Thank you for helping us grow, Gramma. And then on the back of that, it has all of the contents that come in the box. And it gives you some instructions. It says, empty the contents of your box and set the 2 sheets of wax paper on a table to be used as your placements. For easy cleanup, make sure you do all your work on the wax paper. Awesome. And then there are other pieces of paper in here that go through the project. So let me just give you a quick look. So everything is taped up with a cute little Gramma sticker. And then, oh my god, yum. And then you could see all of the items inside. So I'm just gonna go through the projects and pull out the items as they come up. So the first project is Spooky Witches Hats. For this project, you'll need the Oreo cookies. So here we have some Oreo cookies. Melting chocolate. Here's some melting chocolate. I love how they all come packaged so well and easy to find. You also need some Hershey Kisses. Here we go. Oh my god, this sounds so good. And Halloween sprinkles of your choice. So we've got some orange sprinkles, so it looks like some purple sprinkles, some black ones, and then here's like a Halloween mix that has orange, white, and black. You will also need a microwave safe bowl, a paper plate, and a spoon. And then Gramma says, be sure to make this project near the edge of your wax paper so that they don't get in the way of your next project. And it says, unpack the Oreo cookies and kisses and lay them off to the side. Pour the chocolate discs into a small microwave safe bowl and heat in the microwave on high for 1 minute. Stir with the spoon and repeat for another 15 seconds until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. And I'm gonna be more careful this time. If you guys saw last one's video, I accidentally burnt the chocolate. And Gramma says you may have to do another 15 seconds depending on your microwave. Do not overheat or you will scorch your chocolate. And I did that. I should have listened to Gramma. Carefully place a dollop of melted chocolate on top of one of the Oreo cookies and spread it with the back of your spoon until the Oreo is covered. Place 1 kiss in the center of the Oreo and add your choice of sprinkles around the Oreo. Be sure you do this over a paper plate for easy cleanup. Gramma says be sure to save half the chocolate for project 2. Let the hats sit up on the wax paper for at least 5 minutes before you try to move them. And then on the back it talks about the ingredients and everything that's inside them and all the allergens, which is super important and super amazing that they include this. So if you have any allergens or you avoid specific items, you'll be able to check out the ingredient list and see if it's okay for you. So awesome. So that is project 1, and I will insert a clip or a photo at least of me doing this project. Now let's move on to project 2, which is Crispy Monster Bites. And it says, for this project we'll need the container of Cocoa Krispies, which we have right here. That sounds so good. Gummy worms, candy bones. So these candies, they're like shaped like little skulls and bones. And eyes are in there. Okay, so there's eyes in there as well. Paper cups. So we got those here. And leftover melted chocolate from project 1. If necessary, reheat the melting chocolate for 15 seconds and stir with a spoon until smooth. Unpack the gummy worms and candy bones and eyes and place on the side of your wax paper. Pour the Cocoa Krispies into the melted chocolate and stir until incorporated. Grandma says it's okay if you still see some of the cereal when you stir in the chocolate. Working quickly, drop a spoonful of chocolate mixture into each of the paper cups. Now press a gummy worm into each of the chocolate cup and add a few eyes and bones. You may also want to put a few sprinkles in each cup too. It will take about 5 minutes for this treat to set up, and then you can remove them from the cup and enjoy. And again, it talks about all the ingredients and the allergens on the back of the paper. So now I'll include a clip or photo of me doing project number 2. And then last but not least, we have project number 3, which is Halloween cookies. I love a good cookie. So it says, for this project, you'll need the cookies. So we have cookies in different shapes here. It looks like we have like a bat shaped and witch hat shaped here. And then here are some additional shapes. It looks like pumpkins. And it says you also need frosting. So we have frosting in 3 different colors. We have orange and purple and then white. And they come in these super convenient little like squeezy things. So you just have to cut the bottom and squeeze them out. I love that they do that. And then you'll also need some sprinkles, which I already showed you. We've got several colors. And you'll need scissors, a small paper plate, 1 or 2 knives for spreading frosting, and toothpicks for decorating technique, which is optional. So gently knead the frosting bags for a minute if it looks like the frosting has separated during shipping. Carefully snip a small piece of the tip of the frosting bags. Gently squeeze out all the air of the bag until the frosting starts to flow. Grandma says be careful not to cut the frosting hole too big. You can always cut more off after you test the flow. Test the amount of frosting coming out by drawing a line on the edge of your wax paper. You can cut more of the tip off if the frosting is too thin or too hard to push out. Remove the lid from the sprinkles and pour them onto a plate or pour into separate bowls if you like. You can draw designs with the frosting or spread the frosting out with a knife. Use the toothpicks, optional to create swirly designs. See how many designs you can come up with. Grandma says when pouring sprinkles on your cookies, hold the cookies over a paper plate, then bending the paper plate, you can easily pour the leftover sprinkles back into their original container. Set the cookies off to dry about 15 minutes, then arrange them on a plate or wrap them in plastic and give them as gifts. And again, the ingredients and the allergens are on the back. And then the last thing in here is that wax paper, which we will use to do our project. So now I will include a photo or clip of me doing a 3rd project. And that is everything for the box. I love how these boxes always are so on theme and so cute and fun to do and so yummy also. I can't wait to get working on these. I mean, you guys already saw clips, but in my time right now I haven't done it yet, but this all looks so good. And I can't wait to do it, and so cute. Like, they make great Instagram photos and stuff too, right? But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Again, I am going to link them down below. And remember, your first box is $10 and then it's $20 after that. You guys have to let me know your thoughts, how I do. I know I'm not like the most creative, artistic type person. Usually my things don't look as pretty, but they always taste good at least. Oh, my cat's sniffing up on the table. Hi Archer, do you smell his food? But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to enter my giveaways. Oh, Archer's on the table. Say hi. Ooh. Hey, baby. Can you you say goodbye? Thanks for watching. Alright, thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.